Let's see how to put text behind moving object. All you have to need, select the text tool and write your text. Now highlight your text and under essential graphics, go ahead and just customize your text first of all. And then you can change your text color as well and increase your text size. Now you can place your text where you want to add. Now you have to increase your text clip length according to your video length. Now we have to copy our video or background clip. So just hold down the Alt key and drag the clip and put the clip above your text clip. Now go to effects, insert effect type here, color key, and add the color key effect to your upper video clip. Now select the upper video clip and go to effect controls and just click on this color picker. And now you have to click your video background where you added the text. So my text location is here, so I'm just picking this location color, and then you have to increase this color tolerance until your text visible. You have to increase it. And now all you have to need, I'm just playing my timeline, and here as you can see I've successfully added my text behind this moving object, and this is how we can do it.